and a warm welcome back to Afrique Work from Home Jobs, where we explore business opportunities, navigate through potential scams, and much more. Justin from Studypool's Notebank extends an invitation to join their educational platform, where you have the potential to generate income by sharing your originally created academic resources. This includes an array of materials from detailed class notes to a variety of assessment aids like practice quizzes and tests, as well as enriching study materials and completed homework assignments. By contributing to this pool of knowledge, you can turn your academic pastime into a profitable venture. Justin's correspondence highlights the appealing passive income model employed by the service, wherein a single upload of your document could translate into continuous earnings. Each view of your document has the potential to yield up to 10,000, and given the popularity of certain materials, it's possible to garner views ranging into the hundreds or even thousands. This system has led to substantial earnings for top contributors, with some achieving monthly incomes of up to 5,000 USD, a testament to the platform's lucrative potential. What to upload for pay? Discover a unique opportunity to monetize your academic efforts. At Studypool's Notebank, you're invited to upload a range of educational materials that can assist students in their studies. This includes quiz and exam preparation materials like practice tests and study guides designed to aid students in test readiness. You can also submit your old assignments, encompassing homework, projects, reports, presentations, and papers, providing a valuable reference for students seeking to enhance their learning. Additionally, detailed class and lecture notes are in high demand, helping students grasp and understand complex academic concepts. By sharing your knowledge, you not only contribute to the academic growth of others, but also pave the way for earning passive income. You can also boost your earnings. Maximize your income in 3 steps. 1. Collaborate and connect. Team up with peers and focus on assisting new students. Cultivate lasting connections, and as your students succeed, they'll keep coming back to you for more guidance. 2. Contribute your knowledge. Share your academic documents and tap into a vast network of students. With every view, you could be earning, with the potential to make up to $5,000 monthly. Your expertise is valuable. Let it work for you. 3. Achieve and prosper. Strive to earn top tutor and subject-specific badges. These recognitions are more than just accolades, they're your ticket to significantly boosting your income. Embark on your journey. Let's go!
Hi, I'm Nancy, your special investigator, helping you to verify work-from-home jobs. Here are some steps and considerations to keep in mind when evaluating this opportunity. 1. Verify legitimacy. Research Studypool and its Notebank to ensure they are reputable and have positive reviews from other users. 2. Understand the terms. Review the terms of service and any user agreements to understand how you get paid, what rights you have over your content, and any fees or commissions. 3. Check the market. Investigate how many people are actually earning and what kind of documents are most popular. 4. Protect your work. Make sure that uploading your work to Studypool does not violate any intellectual property rights, including those held by your school or university. 5. Customer support. Since they've provided a support email, you can contact them with specific questions about the service. 6. Privacy and security. Ensure that your personal information is protected and that the website has secure methods for payment transactions. 7. Potential for income. Consider the potential for income against the effort required to prepare and upload documents. Before proceeding, it might be useful to hear from others who have used the service. Since you're involved in reviewing work from home resources, it could be beneficial for your audience if you explored this service and shared your findings. Always approach such opportunities with due diligence and caution, as there are many scams that prey on those looking to work from home.
Have a work story to share or seeking the freedom of working from home? Your story matters, and it's time to share it with the world. Gone are the days of toxic work cultures and unrecognized efforts. Say hello to working where you're valued, right from the comfort of your home. From the challenges of traditional workplaces to the autonomy of remote work, your journey is powerful. Let's inspire change together. Don't stay silent. Reach out, share your story, and join a community eager to redefine work. Your voice is the beacon of hope for many. Are you a storyteller at heart or someone who loves to dive into other people's experiences? Either way, we need you. We are calling all storytellers and story readers to join our mission. We are in a search for passionate individuals who can share and amplify the empowering work stories we have gathered. As a storyteller, you get to voice the experiences of many, paint their journey, and foster a connection with our audience. As a story reader, you get to dive into the sea of narratives, select the most powerful ones, and help us shape the future of work. This is more than a job, it's a movement. So, are you ready to inspire and be inspired? Take a step forward, and let's redefine the work narrative together.